Hello and welcome back. Today we're working on the R56 again. It's been a while since we've actually done anything to this. I've been doing bits and pieces here and there, but progress has been a bit slower than I hoped, just with race car and life and everything else going on. So anyway, I'll show you what I've been doing and what I'm going to do in this video. Right, so last time we were working on this, I got the engine pretty much just sitting on its mounts. The old engine just sitting on its mounts, but the drive shafts were stuck in the hubs. And I was actually dreading coming back up here and playing with it and whatever. But some gentle persuasion with the hammer, finally got the drive shafts free out of the hubs. So the old engine is actually now sitting there. That's the old engine, and this is a new engine now in. I didn't have this camera with me at the time of doing that. I literally just came up here. I was meant to just be up here for a few minutes, and I gave that a go. One of them came free, so I did the other one and just swapped the engine. That's just the way it goes sometimes. You get on a roll and you just carry on. So yeah, new engine is now in. Slowly getting it hooked up. I've got the likes of the clutch hooked up, gear cables, all the connections down the back are hooked up. It's still just sitting on the two mounts because the third mount is on the subframe, and I'm currently cleaning that up. So this is the subframe from the R56, and all I'm doing here is just cleaning it up. You can see on this side how flaky and rusty it is, but it's absolutely solid. Once I took the subframe off, I knew it was solid. I knew it was just very flaky, very rusty. But when this car eventually goes for its MOT, I don't want any advisories like, you know, what the testers put, like subframe corroded but not seriously weakened or something like that. And for any potential buyers of the car to see something like that, just the word corrosion or corroded, you know, it could put a lot of people off when it's actually solid. So this is the side I have done. So as you can see, it cleans up quite nicely. Still a bit of work to do down this side, but like I say, it's absolutely solid. It goes down to nice fresh metal. So I'll probably film doing this side, get it all primed up, get it all painted, and get it looking nice again. At least then, when the MOT tester looks at it, see it's all nice and shiny, then it's fine. So yeah, that's that. I'll probably get onto that right away. And then once that's cleaned up, I'm pretty sure the next stage is to get that back in the car. Once that's in the car, it's not too hard a task to get everything back together. Like the plugs and all that on these are so simple. Like it's just a couple of plugs to plug the loom in and all that kind of stuff. Pipes are just, you know, they just fall into place. It's quite nice. And then obviously front end on and all that. But I think what I'll be doing is I've got fresh disc and pads and everything to go on. So once I get the subframe in, I'm going to get the new disc and pads on the front, get everything tidied up around here. Then I've got disc and pads to do in the back as well. But I'll maybe, yeah, hopefully it'll be in this video. I'll try and get it to a point where I can actually test as the engine runs, because that's obviously the main concern. So yeah, anyway, I'll crack on with the subframe just now. So as you've just seen, new brakes on the front. Subframe is being painted. So yeah, finally starting to get bits back on the car. I need to crack on now and get some stuff done. But that'll be it for this one. I'm glad I've got the engine in at least. So it's all coming together. It's just a case of just throwing parts back on now. I'll put you on a time lapse for all that, but you'll see that in the next one because this is probably a bit long already. So yeah, I'll have a look inside the turbo. Well, that's weird. Okay. Yeah. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry this isn't race car content, but it's something I have to do, so thought may as well film it. So yeah, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video where maybe we'll be playing with a race car, or maybe we'll be doing something else. Catch you then. Bye.